Blackpool Pleasure Beach may be getting a brand new ride for 2023. Rumours have been circulating for a while now that the park could be getting a new Ferris wheel / observation wheel for a few months now. However, a few days ago, we essentially got confirmation that this was going to be the case. So with all that said, let's take a look at all the latest news regarding Blackpool Pleasure Beach's potential new Ferris wheel ride. On the 6th of May, a trademark was registered by the park. Now this trademark could have been for anything. However, they included an interesting logo and some text, which says "Head above the clouds" with an icon of a Ferris wheel. Now Liftils and Thrills did do a bit more digging and found out that Amanda Thompson was named as one of the registers on the trademark. Back in 2021, Central Pier in Blackpool actually got a new Ferris wheel, and Amanda Thompson on social media expressed a lot of interest in it. Maybe she was just interested on what was going on in the Blackpool attractions. However, a few days ago, a member of the Pleasure Beach chat on Facebook uploaded the following pictures showing a Ferris wheel gondola in a Pleasure Beach vehicle in front of the Big Blue Hotel. Now that to me is pretty much confirmation that a Ferris wheel is coming to Blackpool Pleasure Beach in the future. Some people were saying that these actually look like Skycart gondolas, which they do to be fair. However, if you search up the name on the glass, it's actually a Ferris wheel ride model. The R80XL is the biggest Ferris wheel the company manufacture, with a height of 80 meters and 27 total gondolas. Now where could the park put this new attraction? Well, it's a very good question. Blackpool Pleasure Beach are so limited on space, so the only place that I can really think of is either opposite the river caves and knock down the Bowlerdrome arcade, or around the fountains area known as FY4. So is this going to be included in the e-ticket price? Well, we don't really know, but I think this will unfortunately be an upcharge attraction. This year Pleasure Beach added Enso to Icon, which is essentially a spinning seat at the back of the Icon train. The minimum price for Enso was £15. Now my question to Pleasure Beach, was Enso the success that they were hoping for? From going to Pleasure Beach multiple times, I haven't seen that many people riding it. The times we're living in is just so tough, and I don't think the general public are that bothered about riding Icon while spinning. If this Ferris wheel is an upcharge, then it will be a shame. But at the end of the day, Blackpool Pleasure Beach is a family-owned business and has been for over 125 years. They do need to make money, but by constantly adding upcharge attractions, I do think that guests just won't pay for them. However, on the flip side of things, if this attraction is included in the e-ticket, then it will be great. But that does mean that the queues would probably be longer. But at the end of the day, I can't see a Ferris wheel being that busy, especially when you've got this huge model that has 27 gondolas. However, a Ferris wheel may be quite successful for the park, and I do wish all the best if this Ferris wheel is coming to Blackpool Pleasure Beach soon. When could we be seeing this wheel open then? Well, I would say the 2023 season. Hopefully in line with Valhalla's reopening, if that ever does. At the end of the day, it's great to see Pleasure Beach investing and getting a new attraction, even if it is an upcharge. With Valhalla being delayed this season and costing the park way more than expected, the big one's ongoing maintenance and track replacement among other things, it's nice to see them investing into the park's ride lineup. Do keep in mind, Pleasure Beach have not formally announced this new ride as of yet. However, it's pretty clear that Pleasure Beach do own a Ferris wheel or parts of one on site. What do you think to this new Ferris wheel? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section down below. Do you think it will be an upcharge? Do you think it will be included in the e-ticket price? Do let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear your opinions. With all that said, if you did enjoy the video, do consider subscribing, as I make theme park content every week for you to enjoy. And with all that said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.